Fill the Google Docs table with colors. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. uh, you can see I have table here, so you can see I'm going to show you how you can color it, how you can fill the color. Okay, so first I'll show you how you can only color only one cell, how to fill color in one cell only. So just select that cell like this. Okay, or double click on into this, so it will be select like this. Now just right click on it or go to the table property. Here go to the color, and we need to go in cell background color, and you can change color from here. Okay, same if you want to color the all cell in one column, just select that all cell like this. Just click within the first cell. Now click and hold your mouse button and just drag the mouse, it will be select. Now you can change the background like this. Okay, so if you want to color all table at once, just select the all table like this, and you can change the background color for all color, all table. Okay, now we are going to talk about the outline color. Okay, just select the cell or table like this, and same just right click on, go to the table property, then same your the option will become here like table properties. Now go to the table border. Okay, so now we are going to talk about table border color, and you can change the color from like this. You can also change the border width like this. Okay, so it will be changed. So you can see there is a lots of option in table properties, so you can use and you can change as per your requirement. So as of now we are talking about the color only. So this is for table border color, and cell, this is for cell background color. Okay, so just you need to select cell or column like this, just right click on it, go to the table property, and change the background color. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.